In this video, I will show you how can you create a GIF file using Adobe Premiere Pro and then you upload it on Elementor Pro. I will create a new sequence. I have ready sequences here. I will choose this one, YouTube size. I have also YouTube 4K, but I will choose this one. I will call it demo, or I will call it animated GIF. Click OK, and then bring the file that you want to animate. Drag the file and drop it inside Premiere Pro. And then you increase the size so you can see the file well. Press on I on your computer, which is the N at the beginning of the video sequence, and then at the end of the video sequence press O. So this is the beginning and this is the end. So we make sure that it's according to the file size. Make sure that your file is not more than 6 seconds, because it will not be converted into a GIF if it's more than 6 seconds. So now we have the file, but we want to resize it because I have the file large, it's 4K. I will press on scale to frame size. So now the file is ready. I can click on sequence, render into out, and then Ctrl M. I select where the destination I want to save the file. For example, I want to save it here. Click Save, and then select Animated GIF. Now your file is ready to be exported. Click on Export. It will be exported and it will be ready. Go to your website where you have the Elementor Pro and go to the page where you want to have the GIF file. Press on this icon and select Image. Put the image wherever you want to have it. I will have it here. And then click on it. Bring your file and put it inside. After you uploaded the file, click on Select. It will be loaded here and it will be animated directly. If you see that this short tutorial and this short video is helpful for you, click on like below. Thank you.